Subscribe to WitchTube Shorts for latest tech related videos. This video is all about a big problem that I encountered with my iPhone 14 Pro that was still not fixed by Apple, and I was not able to fix it by myself, so I ended up returning my iPhone 14 Pro. So it'll be a learning curve if you are in the same boat as I was. So I'm a tech YouTuber and I make regular tech videos on both my YouTube channel, which you must check it out for regular tech videos. So like all the other tech gadgets that I purchased for my business, I got this iPhone 14 Pro on the day that it was announced by Apple. And right after setting it up, I started noticing issues with the camera. So at that point in time, iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max were known for their camera issues, as Apple finally introduced 48 megapixel primary camera instead of their long-standing 12 megapixel camera. So a lot of people were encountering issues with their iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max camera, like autofocus issues, camera jitters, incompatibility with third-party apps like Instagram and TikTok. So I was like, I'll wait until Apple announces a software fix, and there were a couple of iOS updates. This is almost mid-November while I'm filming this video, and currently before returning, I'm running iOS 16.1 20B82, and the problem was still not resolved. So now let's talk about the problem that I encountered. My main issue was autofocus. Whenever I open the camera app either in photo or video mode, the camera always struggles to autofocus. And as you can see right here, it would just switch focusing in a way that I will never get that close-up background blur or shallow depth of field for nice shots and videos. It works great on previous iPhones that I still own to the date, like iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 12 mini, and a bunch of previous iPhones that I have collected over time doing YouTube. But this iPhone 14 Pro, for which I spent a whopping 1600 Canadian dollar, is not able to do the most basic task of autofocusing. Every time I try to open the camera app and take a picture of my kids, the picture ends up blurry, just because the iPhone's camera was not fast enough to decide the focus. Moreover, I cannot use the iPhone 14 Pro camera for filming some shots. So I just stopped using my iPhone 14 Pro for family pictures, as I didn't want to miss out precious moment of my kids that any regular phone can do much better job than this expensive phone. But wait, we are not done here yet. This autofocus issue is so annoying that I can't even scan any barcode with my camera from third-party apps. For example, I use WhatsApp, and who does not? But in order to connect your WhatsApp to a web link, you need to scan a barcode with your iPhone's camera. And guess what? This iPhone 14 Pro cannot autofocus to scan the barcode. So to this date, I was not able to connect my WhatsApp to any of my laptop or Apple Watch application, which is a bummer. Not just that, I was never able to scan any barcode or QR codes that I wanted to scan when I saw them at a restaurant or elsewhere. Comment down below if you encountered the same issue. So out of frustration, I tried to self-fix the issue by restarting the iPhones couple of times, resetting my iPhone couple of times. I even went into the camera setting and even played around with the settings like turning on or off scan QR code, show detected text, mirror front camera, view outside the frame, prioritized fast shooting, lens correction, macro control, and I have tried every possible combination of all these settings turned on or off, and nothing works. So I just ended up returning my iPhone 14 Pro. So comment down below if you had any such issues and if you were able to fix it, so it can help out others like us who are in the same boat. And also subscribe so you don't miss out any upcoming videos, and check out these hidden dynamic island feature video on my main YouTube channel to learn about all the secrets.